Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Bombshell. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, I'm Dipanshi. I post beauty related videos twice a week. So in today's video, I'm going to share this bronze gold look with you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I'm starting with the moisturizer. Here I'm using Himalaya's baby lotion. Before you begin applying your makeup, take the time to prep your skin with the moisturizer. You can even use face mist, serums, lotions, creams or oils in which you are comfortable. Next, I have used a silicone based primer. This is from Blue Heaven. You can use any primer. Next, for my foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Sun Beige. So first I will apply the foundation in small dots on my full face so that the foundation doesn't look cakey. And I am starting from the center of my face and blending the foundation outwards with a damp beauty blender. You can even use a brush to blend out your base foundation, but I like to stipple a damp sponge over the foundation because it creates a smoother and more even texture on the face. And you can see that this foundation has given me a very good and full coverage in just a single layer of application. So after blending out the foundation, I'm here taking a stick concealer which is from MN, and I will use it to highlight my under eyes, bridge of the nose, center of my forehead and Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. So guys, you should always apply concealer on the top of your foundation so that it doesn't smudge. So always pick a concealer which is at least 2 or 3 shades lighter than your foundation. Today, to contour my face, I will use a foundation which is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Toffee. This shade is actually 2 or 3 shades darker than my actual skin tone. So this is a perfect shade for me as contouring. Now I will use the same damp beauty sponge to blend the concealer and contouring I have done. And you can also use a brush to blend your foundation or concealer, but I am more comfortable with the damp beauty sponge because it gives you a very smooth and even texture on the face. If you have very deep dark circles, you can even use a orange corrector to hide your dark circles, and if you have active acne or red spots on your face, you can use a green corrector. Next, to set my concealer, I am using Blue Heaven translucent loose powder, and I am placing on the areas where I have applied concealer. I'm actually baking my face so that the foundation or concealer doesn't crease. Next, I'm using Olivia makeup stick as a base for my eyeshadow, and I will blend it all and set it with the same loose powder from Blue Heaven. Okay, so for my eye makeup, today I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful shades, and I will pick this brownish yellow shade and I will use it as my transition color. And with a flat shader brush, first I will gently apply on my crease area. I'm simply blending it with a shader brush, and then for more blending, I will use a fluffy big brush to blend it all. Next, to deepen up my crease area, I'm using this dark brown shade from the same palette, and I will place it on my crease line. You have to apply and blend the eyeshadows really well. You can use any palette which has this brown shade, and I am blending it with the same brush. Next, I will use a big fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadow. So next I am picking this dark golden shade from the same palette, and with the help of a small brush I will apply on the middle area of my eyelid. Again I am picking this lightest golden shade from this palette, and I will simply place this on top of that golden eyeshadow. Next, for my liner, I am using this Lakme Insta liner. I love this liner. I will draw a thin wing liner on the top of my eyeshadow, but you can also draw a broad liner if you want to. Now I'm taking this brown shade for my lower lash line, and with the help of the same brush I will just smudge a little bit of eyeshadow. So guys, you have to blend your eyeshadows really well for at least 20 to 30 seconds. So I am simply placing the brown eyeshadow onto my lower lash line, and then I will use Maybelline gel liner as a काजल, और मैं उसे बैक ऑफ ब्रश की हेल्प से अपने वाटर लाइन पे लगाऊंगी. उससे आइज़ का लुक बिल्कुल ड्रामेटिक और चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर आप चाहो तो आप काजल स्किप भी कर सकते हो, बट इट विल ब्यूटीफुली डिफाइन योर वाटर लाइन एंड मेक योर आइज़ लुक बिगर. So next, moving on to brows, I'm here taking Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. It comes with the spoolie on the next side, and first I'm going to comb my brows with the spoolie. I'm filling my brows with the very light hand so that it doesn't look very dark or very black side. I don't like very dark or very black colored eyebrows, but if you like dark eyebrows you can go heavier this side. Next, I'm using this Rimmel lipstick in the shade Berry Red, and I will use it as a blush because it has a very creamy and buttery texture, so that I love it using as a blush. And I will blend it with a beauty sponge. So first I will set my face with the Gulabari Rosewater, and I will spray it on my face. Next, for my lips, I'm using this Miss Claire lip pencil in the shade brown, and it is beautifully pigmented. So first I will outline my lips with it. First I will fill my lips with this nude shade lipstick, and it is beautiful shade. You can use any nude shade or pink shade with this bronze gold look. Next, I'm going to outline my lips with the darker shade, which is brown, and I will smudge it with my finger. So to highlight my face, I'm using the same palette from Wet n Wild. It has beautiful shimmery shades, so you can also use it for your highlighting. And I'm placing the highlighter on my highest points of the face, like cheekbones, eyebrow bones, inner corner of the eyes, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and chin area. If you don't like highlighting your face too much, so you can also skip this step. Next, for my eyes, I'm using Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara. It is beautiful mascara. If you don't want to apply false lashes, you can also coat your lashes with the 2 or 3 coats of mascara. Now, just to give a little bit of warmth on my face, I'm using the same palette, और मैं उसमें से एक light brown shade लेके अपने face को जहाँ मैंने contour shade apply किया था उसके ऊपर apply करके blend करूँगी, so that face को एक beautiful cut मिल जाए और एक slimmer effect मिले. So guys, my makeup is done, and here is my final finished look. Please let me know in the comment section that what you think about this look. So guys, this is all for today. I will see you in my next video. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and share with your best friends and your family, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Till then, take care.